Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your mid-month reading for the Sun, Moon and the rising sign of Virgo. Virgo, please keep in mind that this is your general reading for the mid-month 15th of January, 16th of January till 31st of January 2022. This is a general reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And if you like what I do, I would really like to subscribe and like the channel and put on your notifications. Now let us see what are your energies for these 15 days. This is a general reading, so please pick it up accordingly. And you already know that in case you wanted to connect with me for a private reading, my email ID is mentioned in the description box below. Please keep in mind to mention all your complete details. All private personal processes are paid processes. I appreciate your understanding when you're contacting me on a personal email ID. You have man holding a coin, Virgo. That's a lovely energy for the mid-month. Let us see what are your angel messages. What are your angel messages? What are your angel messages? Message please for mid-month, Virgo, Sun, Moon and Rising. Oh my goodness, we have look for a sign. Okay. Let me also pull out your tarot. You know very well that I do a very detailed mid-month reading with a Celtic cross with 10 cards. So the situation is Knight of Pentacle. The crossing is Ace of Cups. Nice energy. Beneath Knight of Pentacle, it's the Hermit. In the recent past, you have the Temperance, back to back, two major arcanas. I hope your cards are visible to you. Okay, in the present, you have Two of Wands. So there are a lot of opportunities, money making opportunities in your reading, Virgo. And then, oh my goodness, you have another major card in the recent near future. What you think about the situation is Page of Swords. What people, environment is Four of Wands. Nice. Your hopes and fears is the Judgment. So many major arcana cards you have. And your outcome energy is, oh my goodness, Empress. So you have in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major arcana cards here. And I would also like to clarify your Page of Swords. It is with Four of Cups. Okay. Very powerful reading. Okay. I hope all your cards are visible to you. Now let me start with your energies. This 15 days is going to bring lots and lots of opportunity for you. But what I am sensing is that every opportunity is going to give you great money. But the confusion is that you have to see that which opportunity is going to last for long. Every opportunity will seems to be very tempting, very attractive to you, and you will feel like picking up all the opportunities. But you have to be very careful that while you are choosing any of these opportunities, you are actually completely making a complete conscious aware call, in the sense that which opportunity is giving you maximum exposure, experience, network, growth, prosperity, not just in terms of money, but in terms of stability and in terms of long term investment of your time and energy. That's the, and in your environment you are going to grab good money. And you also have right now, Virgo, people in your environment who are going to offer great money to you. They have good financial wisdom, whether male or a female. Somebody in your network is very powerful, is very wealthy, financially very stable, holds a nice finance wisdom for that matter. And for any prominent movement this 15 days, you need to look for a sign, something which you resonate with, something your heart picks up, something your soul picks up, your feeling. If you feel for something very important, if you feel like connecting, if you feel like receiving a message of a particular place or a person, you need to revisit your signs, what you're getting now. Angel signs are in the form of dreams, are in the form of numbers, anybody telling you the answer of your thought process or the question which is going on in your mind. So you have to be carefully look for a sign for sure. And if I see your detailed Celtic cross, your tarot reading, you have 5 major arcana cards in this 15 month, which is not a small thing. It's a major reading. And if you see, your situation is Knight of Pentacle. That means there is 100% surety that there will be a great financial movement. But the beauty of this great financial movement with Knight of Pentacle is that you're also self introspecting, and that's a beautiful thing. You're not rushing over the situation. And the Hermit says that don't take any action in a very immediate, ad hoc, rush manner. Self introspect each and every detail minutely, and then take this action with Knight of Pentacle. And the crossing factor with this pentacle is you might have received something from your reference, professional reference. And I also see that there is a love soulmate connection request, also a love relation request also. And you are actually in a very powerful thinking zone whether to continue with this relationship or not. Now this could be a love relationship, this could be a job proposal, a deal from somebody known to you, and you are self introspecting, analyzing very intensely, deeply, whether to move on or not. And I'm really very happy that you are not running. When you have the Hermit in your reading, this means that you are not running, you are stopped, and you are self introspecting and analyzing. This is very important at this stage, because it is also very important. The angel says keep on looking for the signs, whatever information or details you are getting. And in the recent past, you also have Temperance, which says that yes, you have to take all the necessary precautions, I mean to say. You don't have to run, and take precaution in each and every step. So that's a powerful combination. If you see back to back, you have 2 major arcanas, that is the Hermit and the Temperance. And it says that you are getting very powerful while you're thinking in your own zone. Very nice. Now, in the present, the opportunities are already on your table, and both the opportunities, as I said, in your energies, seems to be lovely, growing, long lasting. But your near future has the High Priestess, which confirms that there is something which exists, but it is yet to come at the surface level. And it is very important for you to know that detailed information. It could relate to your love life, your marriage, your job, your business, your deal you want to close. It could be anything. But the High Priestess is a confirmation that yes, there is something hidden, or I should not say hidden, something which exists but is not known to you. So it's the time that you should wait to come up at the surface level, so that you can take a conscious and a known decision. And if you see what you think about the situation, yes, you know that there is a message, phone call, connect request, you have all the relevant messages now, but you are thinking to be very frank, clear hearted from your side. But what is stopping you is that maybe you're waiting for something more, you know better, greater, something different, something high caliber to come at the front for you. Because with 4 of cups, it seems that whatever is running in your cards, whatever is which has come up to you so far, you're not 100% excited. You are okay, you're little happy, but not 100% happy with whatever has been offered to you. And you want to be very, because the Ace of Cup is stopping you. The reference in between, the known person in between, your awareness of the relationship is already there in the relationship, and you want to be absolutely straightforward, blunt, and you want to share your heart. But it takes time. You have to be very careful. Don't say the way you're feeling just like that. You have to be very careful with your words, communication for that matter. And you also have in your environment 4 of Wands. So yes, you're thriving for a long term stability, long term success. And Four of Wands also says that there is marriage in your cards right now. If you're single, if you want to get mingle, or if you're looking forward for a marriage, long-term commitment, living, yes, you are approaching the very right time. And even at the career front, if you see Virgo people, you only want to move into those opportunities. That is why you're not feeling 100% sure. You only want to now move into those opportunities which you say that this is the opportunity I want to stay for my lifelong. I want to invest my complete energy, time into this one direction, into this one target, into this one focus. So you are, there is just a minor difference between this Four of Cups and Four of Wands. You already have a master number 44. You can definitely take this as a master number from the reading. You can go and Google the angel number 44. The message is definitely meant for you right here. And with Four of Wands, you are actually just waiting for the right opportunity with which you can spend the complete life, and the relationship with which you're sorted for rest of your life. And you also have hopes and fears in your, in the possibilities, and it is the judgment, it is the justice time, it is the rebirth time, it is the spiritual awakening from within card. The way you look at world is going to change, the way you look at people, situation, things is going to change. And you have to see that how you have to take all these changes up to a greater level. But whatever may be the situation, the outcome energy is Empress. This is one of the most powerful card, one of the most powerful energy in tarot. Empress means you're going to get the luxury, comfort, fertility, expansion, growth, so much of convenience and comfort with whatever step you will be taking in your personal and professional life. So, Virgo, this is very, very clear that you are heading towards the complete comfort and luxury and pleasure in your life. And that's a very nice state of, one into one can be into. Okay, now let me see what Moonology has to say for you. Moonology is a very powerful deck to let us know your situation. What Moonology has to say. What Moonology has to say. What Moonology has to say. The energy is gaining momentum. Yes. So the energy for you to take the right decision for yourself. Look at the cards here. The Hermit, which says the self-introspection. The Temperance, which says be cautious at each and every stage. And the High Priestess, which says that there is something hidden which it is important for you to know. That means with the sequence, with the major sequence of these cards, look at the sequence. You have the Judgment, you have the Empress. Look at the sequence. The energy is definitely gaining momentum to something rock solid, long term goal, long term stability, and long term success. So the energy is definitely gaining momentum, but you have to be very careful and very, very cautious at each and every stage. So, dear Virgo, that was your detailed mid-month reading. Do let me know that how you're resonating with these readings, and I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.